Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll listen to an English story about Tom and Emma stopping at a huge road trip rest stop. What snacks would you buy during a long road trip? Let's get started.
How much longer until we get there?
Still about 3 hours.
Seriously?
Road trips in America are no joke.
My legs already feel stiff.
Then this stop is perfect timing.
Wait. This is a gas station?
Yeah. Why?
It looks bigger than some shopping centers.
I told you road trip stops can get huge here.
There are so many cars.
A lot of people stop here during long drives.
I even saw trucks parked on the other side.
Yeah. Truck drivers use places like this all the time.
Is that a fast food restaurant inside too?
I think there are actually 3.
3? Inside a gas station?
Welcome to American road trips.
I thought we were just stopping for gas.
That's how it starts.
That sounds slightly threatening.
Give it 10 minutes. You'll walk out holding snacks you never planned to buy.
Honestly, that already feels possible.
See? The road trip culture is working already.
I'm mostly curious about the giant drink cups.
Oh, those are dangerous too.
Dangerous again?
You always think you can finish them. You usually can't.
Now I kind of want to try one.
That's exactly how it begins.
Wow. It's huge inside too.
We're still near the entrance.
Seriously?
The food area is farther back.
Wait. This entire aisle is snacks?
Yep. Welcome to road trip culture.
I've never seen this many kinds of chips before.
People buy a lot of snacks during long drives.
Pickle-flavored chips?
Some people love them.
And what is Buffalo Ranch popcorn?
I'm not even sure.
Road trips really make people buy strange food.
That's part of the fun.
I think I already want to try something weird.
Good. You're learning.
Oh wow. The drink station is huge too.
And people spend forever deciding what to get there.
Those cups are massive.
You always think you can finish the large one.
And then you can't?
Usually not.
Wait. This machine lets you mix drinks together?
Yeah. People create all kinds of combinations.
That sounds risky.
Yet everyone still does it.
I'm going to grab a drink. Excuse me. Do these cups have free refills?
Yep. Free refills for the entire day.
The entire day?
As long as you keep the cup.
I suddenly understand why people stop here so often.
Road trips are a lot easier with snacks and drinks.
Especially with cups this size.
Exactly.
Did you finally choose something?
Unfortunately, yes.
What did you get?
Cherry soda mixed with vanilla lemonade.
That sounds painfully sweet.
It probably is.
And you still bought the biggest size.
I got emotionally attached to the refill idea.
The road trip culture got you fast.
Faster than I'd like to admit. I still can't believe this started as a gas stop.
And now you're holding enough snacks for an entire family.
I panicked in the snack aisle.
That happens to people there.
There were too many choices.
Road trips destroy decision-making skills.
I bought spicy beef jerky, pickled chips, and chocolate-covered pretzels.
That's actually a pretty normal road trip combination.
That worries me a little.
It should.
I also regret the giant drink already.
You finished half of it in 10 minutes.
My body is now 90% cherry vanilla sugar.
That sounds medically dangerous.
Why do people enjoy driving this much here?
I think people like the freedom.
Freedom?
Yeah. You can drive for hours and keep discovering new places.
I guess the trip itself becomes part of the experience.
Exactly.
Even the stops feel like part of the trip.
That's why people get excited about places like this.
I kind of understand it now.
See? The road trip culture is working on you too.
I still think the drink sizes are unreasonable though.
That opinion will probably stay forever.
How do people finish those cups?
Honestly, many people don't.
Then why buy them?
Because refills feel powerful.
That might be the most American sentence I've heard all week.
Probably.
I also noticed people buying snacks for the whole drive.
Yeah. Some families stay on the road all day.
That explains the giant shelves of chips.
Exactly.
I saw one guy carrying an entire box of beef jerky.
That sounds completely normal here.
Road trips really change people.
Especially after 6 hours in a car.
How much longer until we arrive?
About 2 more hours.
I suddenly understand why these stops matter so much.
See? You've fully entered the road trip mindset now.
I'm still not buying another giant drink.
Ask me again in 30 minutes.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. What drink did Tom choose? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.